Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some rain showers out there currently. Taking a quick look at the radar, we do have those rain showers moving through. Continue to see that through the late morning hours into the early afternoon hours. We have a batch of some moderate rainfall going to move through in the next hour or so. And after that, we'll have some scattered showers moving through the area. But overall, looks like the bulk of the rainfall is moving through a little bit quicker than was expected this morning. And we'll see most of the rainfall move through this morning with a chance of some rain showers during the afternoon hours. Taking a look at our upper level sounding from this morning, we can see we have a freezing level at 8,700 feet. Winds out of the southwest to west-southwest throughout the column. Seeing 20 knots at 1,000 feet up to 41 knots at 9,000 feet. Seeing our peak wind this morning at 87 knots at 25,000 feet. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a stationary boundary, a warm front across the region. Really not going to move much the next 2 days, well, today and tomorrow, I should say, and that will provide us with abundant low cloudiness as well as the rain showers this morning into the early afternoon hours today. And we'll see a cold front sweep through for Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, and that'll provide us with additional chances, some rain showers, and even a chance of a thunderstorm. Taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have abundance of upper level cloudiness across the region shown on the infrared satellite imagery here. You can see the colder cloud tops to the satellite imagery on with the greens. Taking a look at the visible imagery, you can see we have lower level cloud cover underneath that upper level cloud cover across the region. That's going to be the case for today and for the majority of Wednesday. Taking a look at the 3 kilometer NAM model and the derived reflectivity, you can see this morning we have those rain showers moving through, and the 3 kilometer NAM does have another batch of rain showers moving through around noon and continue those rain showers till about 2 o'clock today. And that is most likely the solution that will occur today, with those rain showers lingering into the early afternoon hours. And then after that, we'll have some continued low cloudiness and patchy drizzle across the region. Tonight we'll have a good setup for some low clouds and fog across the area as that stationary boundary remains over the region. Light winds allowing for us to have that fog and low clouds across the region. Wednesday we'll have continued low clouds and patchy fog as well as drizzle. Could possibly see a break in the clouds in the afternoon hours, but that looks unlikely at this time. Then we'll see this cold front start to approach from the west here 7 p.m. on Wednesday. You can see that line of convection, low top convection moving towards the region, and even a possibility of a thunderstorm to move towards midnight of Wednesday into Thursday, with some showers likely and even that impossible embedded thunderstorm across the region. Those rain showers will move through during the early overnight hours of Thursday, and then for Thursday morning we'll see just some windy conditions with partly cloudy skies and cooler weather across the region. Taking a look at the Euro model for the next few days, you can see the Thursday planner here with the tighter pressure gradient across the region for the windy conditions continuing on through Friday morning. We'll see a cold start to the day. Should see temperatures around freezing or a little bit below freezing Friday morning. We'll have additional upper level disturbance moving towards the Appalachian Mountains on Friday afternoon, and that'll cross our region late Friday into Saturday, possibly giving us a flurry or a sprinkle across the region. Euro model is not too excited about the amount of precipitation that it does put off with this disturbance coming through, but the other models that we look at do have a little bit of some flurry activity or a light snow shower across the region, as well as some rain showers mixed in Friday night into Saturday. Doesn't look like any accumulation at this time, as temperatures will be too warm. As we move into Saturday, we'll see that upper level trough continuing over the region. That'll provide us with slightly below average temperatures, and a very similar story for Sunday, as we'll have that upper level trough over the region, providing us with cooler weather, more seasonable for this time of year, with temperatures at or slightly below average. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have highs in the mid-50s with a high of 55 degrees here on the main bay. Should stay in the low 50s on the island today, as we'll have winds off the water with southeasterly winds this morning becoming southerly this afternoon, and then finally south-southwesterly late this afternoon. at 7 to 12 knots. Winds will become light tonight, variable less than 5 knots, and we'll have a low around 45 degrees tonight. We'll have that red condition for our rain from now through early afternoon. As I mentioned, the rain is pushing off a little bit quicker than was expected this morning, so looks like those rain chances will last until about 2 o'clock this afternoon, but wouldn't be surprised if we are able to see drier conditions once we move past noon today. Our ceilings will be around 500 feet or lower today throughout the whole entire next 24 hours, and we'll see really low ceilings tomorrow morning, looking like possibly down to 200 feet with fog in the region as well. Our next 24-hour terminal forecast, I mentioned those ceilings will vary anywhere from about 600 to 200 feet today and through Wednesday morning at 8 local. We'll see those rain chances through about 1,500 local today, with the drizzle after that and the fog overnight tonight. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Wednesday through Thursday, Wednesday overcast and abundant low cloudiness and patchy drizzle, a chance of evening rain showers, a high of 57 degrees. Wednesday's high will be dependent on the low-level cloud cover as well. Looks like that low-level cloud cover should stay in the area pretty much all day long on Wednesday. If we do break out of the low clouds, we should see temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s, but right now seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for highs. We'll see an yellow for our precipitation that would come around that 0Z or 7 p.m. time period on Wednesday, and our ceilings will be around 500 feet all day long. For Wednesday night, we'll see rain showers likely and a slight chance of a thunderstorm early, then windy and cooler, a low of 43 degrees. So we'll have orange for our precipitation, about a 20% chance of lightning or thunderstorms. Our winds will become gusty after the cold front, so post-frontal, gusting up to 35 knots, and we'll see those ceilings around 500 feet or visibility around a mile with any of the rain showers that come through. And Thursday, we'll see partly cloudy, windy conditions and cooler temperatures, a high of 48 degrees, and winds gusting up to about 35 knots on Thursday, so a red condition for our winds over 25 knots. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll see that 100% chance of rain today, 70% chance for Wednesday and Thursday, highs in the mid-50s, and then we'll see cooler conditions thereafter. Thursday, 48 degrees for a high, Friday, 45 degrees with that 30% chance of late evening light rain or flurries or light snow shower moving through. And then Saturday and Sunday, we'll see temperatures in the lower 40s for highs, breezy conditions on Saturday. Sunday and Monday looks like high pressure really starts to build in the region. It will be a colder area of high pressure, with highs in the lower to mid 40s for both Sunday and Monday. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.